Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make pumpkin pie, American style. Now you can make this with regular pumpkin, but it takes a lot longer and it doesn't quite taste like it does in the States. And we make this during the fall months in the States, which is October, November, December, and always have it at Thanksgiving. So you can get this at any American store, or if it's during October, November months, a lot of the food stores here in New Zealand will carry it, and the recipe is conveniently right on the back. And that's exactly the one that I followed, although I did add some nutmeg because I love nutmeg, but you don't have to. It'll still taste amazing. So go get this at your local American store, or you can probably order it online somewhere, but let's get baking.